Okay, I figured out tonight how to give your competitor a run for their money. So here is one of my competitors. Their art is larger than mine and they have a moon in it, but their pictures are pretty much just the same. It's not giving any other information, no captions. It's not a great listing. They're short over here. They're not crowding this out. And I'm not even going to try to load the video, but it's all kinds of sparkles and it was raining hearts before. And then down here, their A+ content is just really like dull, I think. So after figuring out or realizing tonight that I haven't been using all of my tools, I realized you can use Cerebro and you can put in, this is mine, let me find the other one. You can put your competitor's ASIN in and you can find out which words they are ranking organically for. So tonight, I'm just gonna focus on the first page of all of these search results of the organic ring. I am going to use all of these keywords. First, I'm going to see which ones I am ranking for and not ranking for. And some of them I am, or I should say, sorry, not ranking, what I am not indexing for. So some of them are as simple as just changing my word from decor red to decor blue so that I index. And then I am going to run campaigns on these keywords next and see if I can get into these top 24 spots with them. I might be right next to them on some pages, and then on other pages, it just might be completely different. It might just be for my color. So this is my new strategy, and I'm kind of actually excited for it because it seems so smart, I think.